Hi friends, I'm Tilak. You're watching Tech May Be Unique, and today we're going to see how to make your Google Slide files to be offline. So it will be offline. Every file that you are editing will be offline by using this particular option. You just want to turn it on your Google Slide mobile. And if you're new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just move on to the video. So how to make the file available offline on your Google Slide mobile. So if you are choosing any new presentation and creating it, and how to make it offline without using the internet. So this makes sense. Click on the three dot option, go to the setting option, and there will be a lot of options. Just scroll down, you will see a option called offline. So this make recent file available offline. The recent files will be automatically be made available offline on this device. So you should enable this option to make every file you just recently created will be available offline, which is stored on your mobile phone storage, so you can access it whenever you want. So it doesn't need a internet because it's made it available offline. So just swipe and just go to the setting and just turn out this offline setting, so which make your files available offline. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet on next video with the super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.